Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Oreo muffins. First, let's get our dry ingredients ready. Combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in a large bowl. Next, crush about 15 Oreo cookies into coarse crumbs. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together half a cup of milk, 1/4 a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg until well blended. Pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins. Finally, fold in those delicious crushed Oreo cookies. It's time to get these muffins ready for the oven. Line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Fill each liner about 2/3 full with your prepared batter. For an extra treat, place a small piece of an Oreo cookie on top of each muffin before baking. Bake in your preheated oven for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your amazing Oreo muffins cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. While they are delicious warm, they also store well in an airtight container for a few days. Enjoy your homemade treat. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals or resources, be sure to check the description below for links and more information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.